Today we're going to go shopping for a laptop computer. My friend is looking for a laptop between $500 and $1,000. She wants it lightweight. She uses it for extensive Excel spreadsheets, and that's about it. So she doesn't need a lot of power, but she wants something reliable, and she wants a Windows machine. We're going to go to Walmart, and we're going to go to Best Buy, and I'll show you how to shop for these. Okay, we're going to go, right now we're on walmart.com, and I went into departments and electronics and video games. And from there, I went to laptops right there. And that brings us here. As you can see, there are pages and pages and pages. There's over 25 pages. So we're going to go ahead and divide this up, make selections based more upon what we're looking at. So the first thing I want to do is go to the price. And I'm going to change the price from limit that to $1,000. So we've got the price. The brand, I'm okay as long as it's a major brand like Lenovo or MCI, Dell, any of those. Availability, available items only. You usually find better prices with the AMD operating system. We want Windows. Microsoft, we do want wireless, we want Wi-Fi, and we want Bluetooth. And customer rating, we would like it to be 4 stars and up. Screen size, let me go 14 and 15 to 16. We have 19 computers to look at. And all of these laptops have things that she really wanted. Okay, here's a restored. If you're buying something restored, make sure you know who restored it and if they're reliable. I would be real careful what restored meant. And we've got some very good selections here. Microsoft Surface 2 and 2. Now these are going to be a little bit older. i5, 8 gigabyte HP. New Envy. You've got Lenovo, Dell Inspiron. Okay, and you've got a whole selection here, and they're all under $1,000, and these are all very good options. Okay, so next we'll go to Best Buy and look at Best Buy and see what they've got. Best Buy is going to have newer electronics just in general because they turn them over faster than Walmart, and we're looking for computers and tablets right there, laptops and desktops right there. Windows laptops right there. Okay, so that should knock us down pretty good right there. Okay, and you can see they have some pretty old processors in here. General rule, get more than you think you're going to need because you're going to need it later on when the programs get more memory and CPU intensive. She wants that size screen, and the price, I want it to 500 to 1,000. There we go. Those two. Okay. We want new, we could do open box, and the RAM, we want at least 16 gigabytes, and we could definitely take 32. The lower the RAM, the less intensive your computing's going to be. 16 gigabytes, 32 gigabytes, that would be really good for her. We've got all the major brands. So let's start looking at them. You can choose anything you want, and this will just get it down to something that you really want. And she wants an SSD drive. Again, it's going to be a lot faster than the older drives. Now, the way you're going to look at this ad, it's a 14-inch touchscreen laptop, and then you look at the processor, which is an AMD Ryzen 7, AMD Ryzen 5, 6, and 7. The higher the number, the newer the processor, and with Intel, it's going to be i5, 6, 7. Again, the higher the number, the newer the processor. And the next thing we're going to look at is the memory. We've got 16 gigabytes of memory. The RAM allows your computer to perform most of the tasks, loading your application, browsing the internet. The memory works hand in hand with the CPU/processor to make sure everything is executed properly and as fast as possible. And the last thing we're looking at is the 512 gigabyte SSD. This is your hard drive. This is where all of your information, all of your programs reside. And the 512 SSD hard drive means that it's a solid state hard drive, which is faster, more reliable than the older technology, which was the HDD hard drives. The next computer we're going to look at is an MSI 14-inch laptop. It doesn't say anything about touchscreen, so that probably means it's not. AMD Ryzen 7, good, with 16 gigabytes memory, good, and a 512 gigabyte SSD drive. This one fits all of our requirements. This would be a good choice. Next in line, we have a Lenovo ThinkPad, 14-inch laptop. Again, no mention of touchscreen, probably not a touchscreen. This one has a Core Ultra, which is Intel 5, with the 16 gigabyte memory, and it's got a small hard drive, 256 gigabyte hard drive. So that one's probably not going to work for us. The next one is a Lenovo Slim, which would be lightweight, which is good. Touch, that probably means it has a touch screen. Ryzen 9, good. 32 gigabyte memory, 1 terabyte SSD drive, very good. Refurbished. Now, the refurbished, you want to know who refurbished this and what kind of warranty comes with that. If it was a factory refurbished, I would be much more likely to purchase it. Anyone other than the manufacturer, I would not buy it. So that's how you would read the specs on a laptop and how I go about deciding which one would work best for which purposes you're going to use it for. Hopefully that helps you out. Safe shopping, happy holidays, and I will see you next time.